This is an 0506 Kawasaki 636 engine and its electronics. All right, we're going to talk a little bit today about electronics and how to mount them on your car. This is a 2011 car. Paul Haybeck from New York is going to let us borrow it. This is the internals of the wiring. Everything's laid out nice and neat. Ryan Greth wired up this car. We use our new high-tack Velcro to hold the components on to the dash panel or the ignition panel now. That stuff seals on really tight and is not going to come off. We do have that available. You can see our new auto tune set up there with the Power Commander 5 and the auto tune module sitting up top there. All the wires, their terminals are sealed so no water can get in there. We like to mount our switches up high so there's no chance of the terminals grounding out on the ignition panel. Seen quite a few issues of that in the past. Fuses are located in the starter relay there, 30 amp fuse. On the valve cover, there's a lot of issues with grounding. Grounding can cause electronic fuel injection to do a lot of strange things. On the valve cover, the only wire that gets grounded there is a wire coming out of the harness. That wire is to actually ground the valve cover to the engine. It's not to ground the engine or to ground any of your electronics to. So use it only for that purpose. On the back here we have where we do all our grounding for our chassis. You can see the big black terminal coming up from the battery. That's the main ground. And all the other grounds for the harness and the pump are grounded to that bolt. This is a way to ensure that everything is grounded perfectly with no chance of interference. There are other ways to do it, but this is the most secure way. You can find other micro sprint technical videos at www.hyperracing.com.